How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys all about the Hotjar tool or plugin for Shopify. So I'll be going over its key features as well as what it's for, and walking you guys through a beginner's how-to guide on how to install it as well as how to use it. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, but I feel like I should give you guys first a quick overview of what exactly Hotjar is to give you some insight on what it's used for in Shopify. So, in a nutshell, Hotjar is a product experience insights platform or tool that you use on Shopify to give you guys behavior patterns or behavior analytics and statistics and feedback data to help you empathize and understand your customers better. So, it has two core features being the observe tool, like heat maps, and recording tools that allow you to see what your users see. So this helps you guys get a better understanding of behavioral patterns of your audience, consumers, and customers so you can make smarter decisions and drive results. So Hotjar is a platform that you guys need if you're looking to run a Shopify store. So all the tools on Hotjar's application are complementary and are designed to help you understand what your users do and why for actionable insights that drive business growth. So that's cool and all. So an example would be let's paint a picture. Let's say that you guys have a Shopify store and you're not sure how exactly visitors are interacting with it. So which buttons they click, or are they clicking on the checkout page or interactions, or are they clicking where you want them to? Are they getting stuck in certain pages? And so on and so forth. So that's exactly where Hotjar steps in. So Hotjar can see exactly how your users behave on your website. So heat maps show you where visitors are clicking, scrolling, and hovering. So it'd be like a heat signature, or it'd basically show you an area where they're all clicking. So if this area, let's say, is all red, then it means that they're clicking on this a lot. So it's to show you guys which elements on your page or your website or your store they're interacting with the most. So the heat map feature also shows you guys where visitors are clicking, scrolling, and hovering. And recording allows you to watch real user sessions, giving you invaluable insights into their shopping experience. So Hotjar has always been a game changer. It analyzes the heat maps and recordings, and you're able to identify which areas of your website need improvement. So here you can optimize your checkout process, redesign your product pages, and see significant increase in conversions as a result. But it's not just about understanding user behavior. It's about understanding their needs and preferences. So Hotjar's feedback tools allows you guys to collect insights directly from your visitors through surveys, polls, and feedback widgets. So that's cool and all. Now, picture this. There's a potentially interested customer looking to buy a product from your store on Shopify. So they're interested in a product but has a couple of questions. So thanks to Hotjar's feedback widget, they're able to ask their particular questions directly on the product page. So it's kind of like a Q&A, or you can simply respond promptly by addressing their concerns and ultimately converting them into a satisfied customer. So whether you guys are a beginner or a seasoned pro on Shopify as well as its apps, Hotjar is designed to help you optimize every aspect of your Shopify store. Its intuitive interface and comprehensive features make it so easy to use, even with those with limited technical knowledge. So if you guys are ready to dive into the fundamentals, here's what you need to do. So once you guys are logged into your Shopify store, actually let's go to the homepage first. Wait for it to load. Okay, so here we are. So once you guys are here, you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account as an administrator. And once you're on the dashboard, you basically want to get access to the Shopify App Store. And there are two ways to do that, both being easy ways. The first way is clicking on the Apps tab right here. You can either click on the drop down or simply click on it and select App and Sales Channel Settings. So this would redirect you to this page right here, where you get to configure and manage all of your installed applications. So here you also get to do it the easy way, which is to click on the search bar and just type in the app that you're searching for. In this case, Hotjar. So let's just type Hotjar here, and normally it'd show up if you were to go in the App Store, but let's actually go there. So click on Shopify App Store, like so. And what will happen is Shopify will redirect you to this page where you get to install the app. So from here, you want to click on the search box right here. So if it doesn't show the results right away for Hotjar, you guys can click on the search bar and just type it down here and hit enter. Now Shopify will pull up all the versions of Hotjar that are compatible with the Shopify store. So the one that you're looking for here is this one, Hotjar install. So to actually integrate it into your Shopify store, you simply want to click on it like so, and you want to click on install. So the thing about this is a lot of plugins on Shopify come with free plans, although some are paid. So you basically just want to do some trial and error and play around to see which version of the app that you're looking to install is free, or rather has a free trial. So in this case, I believe Hotjar doesn't have any free ones, but let's just do this one right here. So to simply install it, click on install like so, and this will redirect you to this page right here. And what we're looking to do is basically let Shopify do its magic and install the application. So we're going to authorize Hotjar to integrate into our store. So to do that, simply click on install like so. Wait for it to load. In a second, you guys will see what the dashboard looks like. Okay, so it's this one right here. Click on install. And here's what the dashboard looks like. So the cool thing about this is every function for Hotjar is built in without the involvement of coding. So it gives you a list of instructions that you need to follow to actually implement the function onto your Shopify store. So it's simple. Sign up for Hotjar account, enter your domain or your Shopify store name, copy the tracking code that would be shown on Hotjar, like so, paste it on simple Hotjar app, this one right here, click verify installation, and you guys are done. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.